Why are some of us rejecting the future and instead turning to the past? Well, isn't it obvious? The future f***ing sucks. It wasn't the future we were promised. When I was young, looking toward the year 2000, I calculated that I would be 22 in the new millennium, and that was 25 years ago. And things haven't turned out like I thought they would. Yes, we are living in a time with the world's greatest invention, but some people feel it's not worth it. The internet, where every bit of knowledge is at our fingertips, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But that hyperconnectivity actually breeds a new form of isolation. We can communicate with anyone in the world at any time of day. But what do we have to say? Just complaints? Talk of unfulfilled dreams? Idle chatter as we barely hang on? As we quietly quit? As we look for the next thing? And many of us are finding that the next thing was there all along. Vintage technology, retro tech, the latest buzzword, or a real, tangible escape, and not just an escape, but a fulfilling experience. This AM/FM clock radio that I've been lovingly showcasing is the perfect example of what I mean. It has one purpose, and it does it well. It's not full of apps and notifications and distractions. It does one thing, and it does it gloriously. It connects you to the world. It broadcasts to you, to everyone, a message of community. Think about it. At any point in the day, you turn on a radio, tune it to the right frequency, and you are listening to something that everyone is listening to. Everyone is experiencing. Everyone is thinking about. Everyone is feeling, and that's a beautiful thing, a thing that seems to be further and further from our reach. But it's not out of our grasp. It's there. These bits of technology that are forgotten by the masses, they're still around. They just need to be fixed up, cared for, and experienced again.
She's been known to roll her eyes. Regreso para todos de Coppel. Just 94.9.
Lord. Just looking to raid on your parade. Yeah. RS Rescue Router. And aquellos con una deuda.
And liver problems may occur. Before treatment, your doctor should check. Tienda de descuento. Todos los productos.